Alrighty everyone, welcome back. We have another box break for you. This time we have some Darkwing Blast, first edition, Yu-Gi-Oh! We're going to see if we can't be blessed with some Starlights. If not, get some other really awesome cards. This is our first time opening up this box, so let's get to it.
Yep.
Alrighty. Okay, so open up this bad boy. And then we're going to shuffle these a little bit. Munchkin's going to have one side, Papa's going to have the other. What do you think, bud? Got some Starlights in this?
50%.
50%, he says.
50% for Starlight and 99% for the secret rare.
The secret rare, that's pretty sure. You can count on that. I'm pretty sure that they do 2 secret rares, 4 ultras. Not sure how many secret rares, but let's see if we can't get a Starlight.
Hello.
Alright. Yep. Are you going to start the show? I'm not going to start the show.
Me.
Okay. Alright. Let's go keep him with the left side.
Da.
Alright. We're going to do the pack trick.
Yep.
Okay. Today, Junior.
Does this still have an 8?
9, you mean?
I mean 9?
Yep.
Oh.
It should. It should.
I'll do it.
Alright, so while Nom is getting that going, we're looking for any of the Starlights, the Bastille Lubellion, Castira Fenir, Blazing Cartessa, or Kashira Unicorn, are some of the few that we're looking for. So, you ready, bud?
Yep.
Alrighty. Okay, start off the show, we've got Underworld Ritual of Prediction.
Hey, do you know what that kind of looks like?
The seal of seal of Orcholicalcus?
No, it's called the seal of Orichalcos.
I was close. Okay, let's get this a little bit over here, bud.
Hardly close.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty far off. Blackwing Twin Shadow. Original Bamboo Sword. Curse of the Amateur. Ninjutsu Art Tool Iron Dagger. Scare Claw Twin Saw. Tearlament Scream. Tilting Entertainment. And what is that? Dynamite Power Load, the Draco Slayer. It's an interesting looking one.
Mm-hmm.
The Draco Slayer.
Draco Slayer.
Alrighty, Papa's up next.
Hey, I know in one of the boxes you said there could be a seal of Orichalcos.
This is true. I think it was in the Ghost from the Past 2. Alrighty, so the Great Noodle Inversion, Psychic Rover, Tearlament's Grief, Amazonas Augusta, Amazonas War Chief, Castira Org, Hanshin Hirudo Spirit, Amazonas Secrets, there's a lot of Amazonas, and Goatee Fury. Another super. Alrighty. Munchkin is up. Let's see if he can't pull a secret rare.
My thumb's still sore.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, man.
But that was easy. Ching.
Some pretty cool pack art. Alright. You ready?
Yep.
Alrighty, Amazonas Augusta.
This one isn't a bad one. It's 3,200.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
A lot of stars. Stars align across the Milky Way. Tearlament's grief. Laughing Puffin.
Wait, Laughing Puffin was in the last one.
Was it?
Yeah. Wait, was it? No, it wasn't.
Tri-Brigade Shadow Down. Ninjutsu Art of the Dancing Leaf. Cucumber Horse. That's interesting.
Cucumber horse.
Castira Org. And, ooh, Lady Labyrinth of Silver Castle. So, that there is the first secret rare.
Wait, but that one was one could have been the Starlight.
Yes.
And it could have been the rarest.
That is true. So, we're just looking this up. And this one, if it was to be the Starlight, would be a pretty decent one. So, this one's not too bad, Munchkin. This one is a $15 card right now. So that is not too shabby.
Mm-hmm.
Lady Labyrinth of the Silver Castle. Let's go into a hard case, as all of our secrets do. Well, most of them. Yeah, I wish that was a Starlight, but that'd be awesome, huh?
Yep.
Look at that beautiful shine.
Don't.
Alright, first go up. Papa's turn.
Yep.
Come on, Starlight.
Come on.
So the Starlights in this one range from that one being about $300 all the way to a $77 one. Okay, so Silent Wolf Kalupo, Kagero the Cannon Ninja, Bear Rock Dragon, Freki the Runic Fangs, Goatee Cosmos, Full Bloom, another Cucumber Horse, Tilting Entertainment, and yet another Dynamite Power Load.
That was the first one, and that was the second one.
We already got you.
Yeah, you should be with somebody else. Including you, Cucumber.
Is a cucumber.
The Cucumber horse.
So, as a nice first secret rare, unfortunately, it is not the Starlight.
Yeah.
That would be cool if we got one that was a secret rare, and then another that was the Starlight of the same card, huh? In the same box. I would not complain with that. It would be a very nice box. Alright. You almost done, bud? Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. I'm at Natural Blessing. Silent Wolf Kalupo. The Great Noodle Inversion. Black Shadow Squall. Decisive Battle of Klongloa. I messed up that name. Scareclaw. Twin Saw. Hanshi Kyudo Spirit. Over here, a little bit. Amazonas War Chief. And Black Wing Beardsome of the Wicked End. That's not this guy, is it?
No.
That's not bad, huh? Some more Black Wings.
I think there might be a ghost rare in this one.
I don't think so, but we just looked at the thing. And there was no ghost rares. Oh, that would be cool to get a ghost rare for.
It seems like this is kind of like a sticker.
Might be the way that it's
What?
adhesive on the holographic on fabric, so that could happen. Alrighty. Curse of Amateur, Blackwing Twin Shadow, Natura Camilla, Silent Wolf Kalupo, Ninjutsu Art of the Dancing Leaves, Tilting Entertainment, Tearlament's Heartbeat, Ninjutsu Art Tool, and Meteor No, Mirologic aggregator.
Wait, how many stars does it have?
That's a lot of stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That is an interesting one.
9 you have
Those
to
are some
sacrifice.
really cool.
9 you have to sacrifice.
Cool cover
3.
art.
You have to sacrifice 3. But that's only 2,600.
Yeah.
Strange.
Probably had good defense. Yeah, 3,000 defense.
Yeah.
That is typically what they do. Alright, let's go. Blackwing Blast. Or Darkwing Blackwing.
Super Wing Blast.
Super Wing Blast.
Ding.
Alrighty. Mix those up, bud.
What?
Okay. So Munchkin is almost done here doing the card trick. Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Alrighty. Celestial Apparatus Tesla? Dragonaut Pendulum. It's interesting. Bear Rock Dragon. Amazona's Golden Whipmaster. Castir Org. Ninjutsu Art of the Dancing Leaf. Tri-Brigade Showdown. Soul Scissors.
And
Shamisen Samsara Sarakat. Whoa. That's a mouthful. Another
wait,
ultra.
how much defense?
Not ultra, super. 1,200. 1,200.
Oh, I need to tell me.
Munchin's getting in, so you gotta lean in a little bit, bud, so you can get into the camera. Whoa. Alrighty. Okay. Amazonas Augustus. Curse of Armatir. Blackwing Twin Shadow. Naturia Camila. Amazonas Pet Tiger King. Soul Scissors. Amazonas Spiritualist. Castira Preparations. And Castira Shangri Era.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to only sacrifice 2 for 3,000.
So we're getting some more Castira support. Awesome. Alright, you're up, bud.
Yep, I'm up to be a buttercup. Already?
Alrighty, so Munchkin is opening up this pack right now. We might want to eliminate the card trick on our future videos. Seems to take a decent amount of time. But that's alright.
I could have 2.
Don't do that.
Wait. Yeah, that's it.
Alright. Let's see what we got. Dragonite Pendulum. Bay Rock Dragon. Amazonas Golden Whip. Prediction Princess. Amazonas Spiritualist. Amazonas War Chief.
There's only Amazonas.
Han something. Amazonas Silver Sword.
Too many Amazonas.
And Batwing Samal the Sandstorm.
It just looks like a regular bird.
Yep, it does look like a regular bird, doesn't it?
But it is 16.
So, I feel like there's some ink mark right there.
Where?
Right there. See that? When you were going through, I was like, looks like that might be a little bit of an error.
I'm not seeing what you're seeing.
That's okay. I'll show you later. Okay. Bubba's up next.
Yep. I'll do the focus if you need it.
That's good. I got it. It should be on autofocus.
What's autofocus?
means it focuses itself. Natria, blessing. The Great Noodle Inversion. Psychic Rover. Tilliment's Grief. Tilliment's Heartbeat. Hansher Kudo Spirit. Salamander Catalyzer. Ninjutsu Art Tool. And the Bestial Albalos.
Holy cow,
Ooh,
3,500.
that is pretty cool looking.
3,500, 3,500.
Oh my goodness, count the stars there, bud.
Wait, you have to sacrifice 4 for just the 3,400? For just the 3,500?
That is kind of interesting, bud.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to sacrifice 4 for just the 3,500, 3,500. That doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't make any sense, does it?
Usually it has to be 4,000. So you have to sacrifice 3 for that.
So I think that's our first Ultra of the pack. Huh?
Ultra,
Our first Ultra. Put this guy in the case.
My turn.
It's a cool looking guy.
Yep.
Wait. Alrighty. Munchkin's doing the card trick over there. Are you ready?
Yep. The cards, here we go.
Alrighty, Prediction Princess, Amazonas Augustus, Stars Align Across the Milky Way, Tilliment's Grief, Ninjutsu, Naturalia, Decisive Battle, Salamander, and Castira Fenir. Oh, Munchkin, that's one of the good ones. Let me just check real quick. Ooh, bud.
What?
Look at that.
105?
So this guy right here, nope. Castira Fenir is a $64 card. Wow. That is a nice Ultra to pull, bud.
Yep.
Oh, that is
secret.
great.
No.
No, it's Ultra. Look at it.
Jinx, Yomi said. I said,
Oh, that is nice. Well, between this and that, it pretty much covers the cost.
Yep.
Okay, let's look. You see the centering's a little bit OC, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see where it's OC?
What does OC even
Off center.
mean? Yes. It's either on the bottom or the side.
Yeah, it's a little bit pulled down, huh? Well, that there is nice, though.
And I pulled it. Hooray.
You did. Awesome. Castira Fenir. That is a beautiful, beautiful card. Awesome. That one there is worth more than our secret rare, which is a very strange thing.
What?
We'll put this guy down.
Usually secret rares are the best.
Alright, is it Papa's turn?
Yep.
Awesome.
It's you can pull one more dollars.
Yeah, Papa's got to catch up.
Yep.
Munchkin's had all the great pulls so far, pretty much. He's got the heart of the cards is on his side, that is for certain.
We got 4 specials.
Alright.
Only none specials on the other ones.
Well, Papa's got that Starlight right here. I can feel it.
Are you sure?
Yep. Did you pull that one or did I pull that one?
I pulled that
Okay,
one.
so that means I still have a chance for a Starlight. Oshiro the Aqua, Scareclaw Decline, Infernal Queen Salmon, Amazonas Silver Sword Master, Tilliment's Scream, Scareclaw Twin Saw, Tilting Tillaments, and Bestial Drune Swarm. A lot of bestial monsters.
I thought you said you had the Starlight in that one.
I did. And evidently, I was
did
wrong.
You did not have it.
I did not. It was not in the heart of the cards.
Yep.
But that is okay. That is okay.
It's okay for some hay. Hey. I said hey.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hooray.
Ooh. Munchkin. That's a pretty expensive super rare. This right here is an $11 card for a super. We need more. We need more cases.
Oh, geez.
Oh, no. All right, well, we're going to put this one in a case. And if we end up pulling something else that needs the case, we'll get it when we're all done.
Already.
Alrighty. Not too shabby there.
Yep, not too shabby and not too grabby.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Laughing Puffin.
Puffin and a muffin.
Underworld Ritual of Prediction. Blackwing Twin Shadow. Original Bamboo Sword. Full Bloom. Axip Omen of Goti. It's the first time we've seen that one. Kastira Preparations.
Including that one.
Tillament's Scream and Meteoric Aggregate. We got that one again, huh?
Yep.
That is the second. Is that Ben that I'm seeing there? Yeah, nay, maybe. Hey. See what I'm seeing? A little bit in the center there. I don't know.
No.
We shall have to see.
Yep.
Alright. Papa's up.
Yep. Now take the snooze.
Take a snooze, Mr. Doodles.
Wait,
Because you know you're going to lose.
Wait,
Because
but
Papa's about to pull Starlight.
wait.
What?
But if I snooze, then I lose.
That's right.
No.
You don't want to do that? Okay. Papa's up.
Oh,
see.
I forgot. You snooze.
It's right here. It's right here. Starlight, I command thee. Show me. Original Bamboo Sword. Laughing Puffin. Prediction Princess. Tobari the Sky Ninja. Turbo Tainted Hot Rod. Ninjutsu. Black Wing. Tribridge Shadow. And Wallow, founder of the Druid Dragons. Not the Starlight.
Yep.
That is okay. It's the first time we got that one.
Yep.
Alrighty. Munchkin is up yet again.
Let me show you how it's done.
Oh, please do. I would love to see how it's done.
Because I pulled
me the
that
way.
one and that one.
Show me the way. Alrighty. How Papa pulls the Bestial Lebulian or any of the Starlights. I'll take those. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what Noam's got. Curse of Amatir. Yoshiro the Aqua. Tobari the Sky Ninja. Friki the Runic Fangs. Turbo Tainted Hot Rod. Amazon's Pet Tiger or Liger King. I think I said tiger the last time. Amazonas Silver Sword Master.
So many Amazonas.
There are. Cucumber Horse.
Cucumber.
And Predictions Princess Tarot something.
I don't think
Tarot
I don't think we ever seen one that's that live blue.
That's true. I think you're right, huh?
Let's check
Interesting.
how much that can be.
Prediction Princess.
To me, it looks like it's gonna be like a $5 card.
You think so?
Yep.
I'll check real quick. Princess something. Two elements. Donner. Not seeing it. Prediction Princess is an 8-cent card.
8 cents?
Yep.
What? 8 cents?
Yep.
Who would want to buy something 8 cents?
Hey, maybe someone really likes the card. All right.
But who would
Let's
want
go.
to sell something?
Secret rare. I'm going to say it every time until it comes true.
I think you mean Starlight.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's exactly what I meant.
You said secret.
I did.
So now you want
Kadiro, Cannon Ninja, Bear Rock Dragon, Fricky, the Runic Fang, Infernal Queen Salmon, Goatee Cosmos, Turbo Tainted Hot Rod, Amazonas Silver Sword Master, Amazonas Pet Liger King, and...
the same one?
What in the world? Back-to-back Prediction Princesses of 8 cents? Hey now.
8 plus 8 is 16.
Yep.
We got 16 cents. That's
almost enough to buy well, not even more, huh? Stick a gun. Okay, you're up.
Let me show you how it's
Okay,
done.
please do. Show me how it's done. Oh, master pack jar. This one's got some pretty decent ones that are of high value when they're not like secret rares, which is kind of cool. Gosh, I can't believe we got the Castira Finier, bud. That's awesome. All right. Okay, what's Munchkin gonna pull? Psychic Rover, Natural Camila, Kagero, the Cannon Ninja, Telements Heartbeat, Goatee Cosmos, Amazonas Secret Arts, Amazonas Spiritualist. Ooh, what is that? Destructive Daruma Karma Cannon.
That looks like it'll be $5.
You think so?
Yep.
Let's see. This is Destructive Darumo Carmen Cannon is $3.85.
Ooh, I was so close.
Yeah. You were not off. It's a nice one.
Yep.
Awesome little ultra there.
And that's how you do it.
And that's how you do it, he says.
And you pulled it 8
All right.
cents.
Well, I'm about to pull the Starlight right here. Okay. Calling it for the umpteenth time. Right here, Starlight. Come on.
You do know I'm on step
Part
4
of the
and you'll
cards.
probably never catch up.
Hey, you never know.
It just makes
You
up.
never know.
I'm gonna snooze and see.
Dragonic Pendulum, Snoozy Lose, Black Shadow Squall, Scareclaw Decline, Original Bamboo Sword, Cucumber Horse, Salamander Catalyzer, Full Bloom, Omen of the Coati, and World Sea Dragon Zealantis. Oh, that is actually a really awesome card. Look at that. It looks almost 3D, like it's coming out at you. Whoa. That is pretty cool. Unfortunately, it is only a $6 card. He says.
How much is
And
this?
that is going to take up...
How much is this one secret rare?
I think that was 15, but...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that is a really awesome card. So, there goes our second secret rare.
So I did
I'm not sure if once you use up your secret rares, if you still get the possibility of a Starlight or not, or if it's in addition. Somebody can let us know in the comments. We'd appreciate it. Alrighty.
Looks like
Okay.
I teach you something.
What do we got? We got 3 left.
Looks like I teach you something.
Did you?
Because
Alright, I think we got 1, 2, how many more? 3. We've got 1 more Ultra, it looks like. And potentially,
My thumb's hurting.
maybe a Starlight. We shall see.
We
shall see.
I'll get the start if there is anyone.
Unfortunately, we did not draw the bestial Libulian.
Well,
But we did get Castira Finier, which is nice.
one. Okay.
Alrighty. You got it there, bud?
Yep.
Okay.
Now, let me show you how it's done for that $6 card. Because that one...
Show me.
I forgot.
Alrighty. Silent Wolf Kalupo. Great Noodle Inversion. Black Shadow Squall. Celestial Apparatus Tessia. Omen of the Goatee. Telements Heartbeat. Salamander Catalyzer. Turbo Tainted Hot Rod.
And...
Snopius Shade of the Goatee. Oh, it's a giant octopus.
yeah.
Oh, that's kind of a cool looking card there.
And 2100.
Snopius. That is interesting. Snopius octopus.
I'm going to say that would be under $5 or under $6.
Papa's not going to look. He's going to open up his pack.
Okay. I'm going to see if I snooze. And if I lose.
Alright, come on.
Monkey's going to see what you're
Bless
doing.
this box. Laughing Puffin. Prediction Princess. Tobari Sky Ninja. Stars align across the Milky Way. Black Wing. Soul Scissors. Amazonas Spiritualist. Castira Preparations. And Black Wing. Chinook of Snow Blast. Not what we wanted.
I think you mean not what you wanted. Wow.
Well, don't you want something good too, silly? Alright, you're up. Wasting time, bud. Let's go. Let's go.
I put a monkey on my head, but then when I went like this, monkey went right through my bed hole.
Did he?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ah. You're still looking how much that can be, eh?
A. Are you Canadian? A. Alright. Okay, what you got? What you got?
Let me show you how it's done.
Please do. Psychic Rover. Natural Camila. Kagero the Cannon Ninja. Natural Blessing. Amazonas Pet Lager King. Soul Scissors. Full Bloom. Castira Preparations and Branded Regain.
That's a cool card.
That is a kind of cool card, isn't it?
And how much can it be?
I don't know, but I do not know.
I do not know.
Alright.
Mr. Joe.
So Papa is up next. Is Papa going to open up 2 packs in a row?
Yes.
Alright, which one?
The one that I'll do is my side. My side.
Your side. Okay. So Papa's going to open up his.
This time Barry's watching you.
Alright. Barry is the bear. Enter Queen Salmon. Jackanath Pendulum. Black Shadow Squall. Scarlet Decline. Castira Org. Decisive Battle Golem. Natural Amazonas. And Majestic Pegasus. The Draco Slayer. As the other ultra rare. That was our last one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I think it is, bud.
Hey, do you know? Hey, Dad. That one kind
Majestic Pegasus.
of look. That one kind of looks like Yugi's dad. or Yu-Gi-Oh's grandfather. Look.
Does it?
Doesn't it look?
Is a $1 card. Yeah, a little bit, except I'm pretty sure that's a girl.
What?
Yeah.
No, that one.
Yeah.
The one with the spikes.
Yeah, pretty sure that's a girl, but
No.
that one? Yeah.
No, not the long one, the short one.
That's good. I know exactly what you're talking about. Okay. Papa's last pack. Let's see. Last try. Can I get a Starlight? Underworld. Celestial. Amazonas. Natural. Amazonas. Cucumber. Blackwing. Decisive Battle. And Donner Dragger for Hire. All these little pets.
Peckies.
These pets.
Pets?
Alright. Like the cats. They're like pets.
Let me show you what's...
Show me how it's done. Alright. Some last pack magic.
Oh man, I made a hole from that thing.
Last pack magic.
Which is my pack. Wahahaha. Let me show you how it's done.
Please do. Will we get the Starlight? Star bright. Shine your star on me tonight. Alright. Okay, last pack magic. Let's go. Scareclaw decline. Internal Queen Salmon. Frecky the Runic Fangs. Tearlament Scream. Natura Mole Cricket. Tri-Brigade Shadow. Scarron Twist Saw. And Branded... Wait. And Branded Beast. Munchkin did not do the card trick correctly on the last card.
I did 3.
You did 3.
I thought I counted 4.
You did 3. Nice. Branded Beast. I presume it is going to be a lower card. 35 cents.
Wait, 35 cents?
Yep.
Wow.
Alrighty, so we got our Kastira Veneer
That's more.
and our Lady Labyrinth that are the highlights of this one.
Only that one's more than that one.
It is not a bad combination. And then with this as well too, I think this one was like 65, this one was 16, and that one was 11. So that is not a bad way to end it, but I'm glad we picked up this one.
Yep.
That made the box worth it for sure. Alrighty, so that there is going to do it, you guys. We appreciate you for watching. We had another successful unboxing, and we hope to be able to bring some more to you guys soon. We do have a bunch of packs from the 25th anniversary that are coming our way here soon. Probably they're supposed to be released in I believe April at some time, so we might not get it till the end of April, maybe the beginning of May. So we shall see about that, but that one's going to be a blast. It'll be about a box for each of the first 6 sets, and Papa's excited for that. Get to relive some of those polls I made as a kid with my son now, so pretty awesome. And yeah, we're excited. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Please hit that like button if you have not already. Subscribe, and we will catch you guys next time.